Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to fix the pose menu not changing in Meccha Chameleon. So if you select a pose but your character does not change, just follow along. First, make sure you're opening the pose menu during the correct game phase. Some customization option may only work before the round begins. Next, select a different pose and wait a few seconds to see if the change loads. After that, restart the Meccha Chameleon app and try changing the pose again. You should also check your controls to make sure the pose buttons are working correctly. And if you're using a controller, reconnect it or switch to keyboard controls to test the issue. Next, you need to update the game to the latest version because older versions may have bugs affecting customization. And if you're playing on Steam, verify the game files to repair any damaged files. And if the pose menu still does not work, reinstall the game or contact the game support team. So those are the best ways to fix the pose menu not changing in Meccha Chameleon. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.